This is the SolaWave. Wanted to show you what it looks like when you get it. So when you touch it, it will vibrate and do the red light. That's what's going to be happening when it's on your face. And you can use this with serum or without, so you don't have to put a serum on. But if you do have like a morning routine with your lotions or serums, this is really good to use and incorporate it in while you're putting it on. It just kind of helps everything sink in further. It's using red light technology and it's using that vibrational. You can kind of hear it when it vibrates. That's helping with your skin. You're gonna get a USB, so this is rechargeable, so you don't ever need to use batteries. It's not gonna die on you. And then here's how you actually use it. So when you're ready to do it, you push it out like that, and then you're gonna use it on your face, like your forehead, down here, here, like all over. Like basically you can use this all over. Do about 5 minutes a day and do that every day or at least every other day, and you're probably gonna see some really good results.